The sea is rough, and the wind carries tales across the Atlantic of immeasurable riches. Riches that the Spanish galleons are transporting to Europe. In a dark tavern, hidden in a remote coastal settlement, the members of a renowned pirate crew gather. Their leader is the legendary Silver Eye Pete. By his side stands Admiral Waite. Two legendary pirates, united by a single purpose. They know a frontal attack on a Spanish treasure galleon without careful preparation would be pure suicide. So they send out their best scouts, disguised as ordinary merchants and humble fishermen. Day and night, they gather intelligence about the route, the crew, and the armament of the Spanish treasure galleon. The nights pass. The tension grows. At last, the scouts return with the crucial intelligence. Now the pirates are ready. The calm before the storm. The cannons are loaded. The crew is in position. Tonight, the shadow of the pirates will fall upon the Spanish fleet. Will Silver Eye Pete and Admiral Waite succeed in boarding the mighty Spanish treasure galleon and claiming its legendary treasure?